Hi guys, Shushu here from World 3, and today we'll take a look at the New Year of the Dog, the LEGO Store promo for Chinese New Year, and this is at ages 7 and up. It comes with 156 pieces. The number is 40235, and now let's take a look at box instructions. So here's the front box, and the side says New 2018 Special Edition, and here's the back of the box, and you can open this like that. There's some nice kind of design for the pieces, and in the box you get this little pocket, which is a Chinese New Year tradition where adults give those kind of red pocket to children with money inside, and this is not a red pocket, but there's red inside, and you can just put money inside, I guess. That's pretty neat. And some instructions which don't have anything too special, just shows how to build it and all the pieces. And here's the build for the set. And here's this little doggy, which you can remove it from this kind of base plate. So the base plate is pretty cool. It's made up of those kind of two halves of circle pieces. And there's kind of this carpet and some 1x1 circle golden pieces for like monies, and also some nice grass design, also some nice flowers, so that's pretty cool. And you can just put the dog on the plate, and here's the dog. You can see some really nice design for it. You can see the he's kind of, I really like how they built his legs. That's pretty cool. And there's a lot of those kind of double cheese slope and cheese slope pieces, and you can see you can kind of spin his head, and you can see his kind of tongue sticking out. It's pretty cute. And also his little black nose and his printed eyes. You can move his ears, and you can see the back of his head, and he also got a little tail which you can move up and down. So there's also some nice color for the dog, pretty cool, but I don't know why there's some red right there. Why not just put this kind of red, oranges, brown color for the neck one? I don't know why they put those red color for that neck part, but yeah, that's it for the dog. So that's it for this review, and you probably can't get this set because it's already made, and this is a February promo, so if you didn't get this, that's shame for you. But there's still got some really nice pieces, like those red kind of pieces, sliced pieces. That's what I call it for the tongue. That's pretty nice, and also some nice brown pieces. But there's a new flower mode for 2018, but they use the old style flower piece for this set, which I don't know why. But on the bottom of the box, it does say 2017, so this might be a 2017 set, but I'm not sure, because 2018 is the New Year of the Dog, but I'm not too sure about what's happening there. And I did get 2 of this set, but I'm not giving any of those away, so sorry about that. And that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.